In this video, we're taking a look at last minute gifts from Amazon that do not suck. Okay, so full disclosure, I get sent a lot of stuff on this channel to review. Not all of it is great, but I do get a few gifts every now and again which I think, wow, this is actually pretty cool, that I didn't expect to be pretty cool, and I'm going to feature 3 of them in this video today. So first of all, the TRONSMART Bluetooth speaker. Now, originally when this came in the box, I was like, very uninspired. It looks very small and doesn't look like it's going to pack much of a punch, but I'm telling you, this thing is incredible. It's got lots of features, like it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can actually take this in the shower if you want to. It connects via Bluetooth to your phone, Android or iOS, and it charges by USB-C. It's got like a 12-hour battery life. It's really, really fantastic. I'm going to connect it to my phone and play some music for you so you can sort of just hear what it sounds like, because this thing is just bonkers. So you just basically hold it down on the side, you get a little bit of a tune. It's connected. Pretty much, I think it's connected. We'll just double check. This is called the TRONSMART Nemo. Now, I think this is the American version, but I will link the English version in the description down below. It's pretty much the same thing. They do a bunch of speakers on Amazon, and this is one of their cheaper ones. It's only about £30 or $30. Oh, it is connected. Let's go to the music from Epidemic Sound so we don't get any copyright strikes. We can see the bass coming out the bottom. Okay, so it's probably hard from the video to gather what kind of sound's coming out of this, but it's incredible. It vibrates in your hand, it's that powerful. It really is a great speaker. It comes with a little lanyard on the side so you can hold it or sort of clip it to your backpack or whatever. It's for £30, $30, this thing is absolutely sick. I really do love it and fully recommend it. By the way, if you do want to grab any of these products, there'll be links in the description down below. Those are affiliate links, so it helps this channel grow if you do purchase for the links, but you don't have to. Make sure you subscribe while you're down there, and drop me a comment about any other tech things that you found on Amazon. I'd be really interested to know if you found some bargains, and I'll try and review them on this channel, so let me know in the comments down there. Next, we've got this. Now, every now and again, like a tablet comes in the post and you're like, this is not going to be very good. I'm used to Apple. I'm a bit of a snob when it comes to using tablets or like iPads. I have got an Amazon Fire HD Kindle thing that I use for like notes and stuff, but nothing for everyday use. But this is absolutely brilliant. Now, I'm using it in the studio at the moment for just doing different things. I control the camera slider with it. I'm researching stuff and I watch a bit of content on it, because this is the DOOGEE T20 Mini Pro, and I've been really impressed with it so far. It's Android 13. It's not the latest version of Android, but it is like an up-to-date version, so you'll get updates over the next few years at least. It's got all the Google services on there, YouTube, Google, you've got Meet, you've got Assistant, built into this as well, Google Chrome, all already sort of preloaded. It's got a decent amount of RAM, it's got a decent amount of storage. You can actually extend it to be a 5G device as well, so it's got a 5G antenna in here. You can put a SIM card in here to use this out and about. It's not just restricted to a Wi-Fi signal. For everyday use, for using it around the house, for giving it to a kid, for playing the odd game and stuff, this is a really good, capable tablet. If you don't want to go down the route of spending hundreds and hundreds of pounds, you can grab something like this and it can still do the basic needs that you need to do. Majority of you who have got an iPad Pro out there don't use it to its full ability. You could get away with one of these, that's for sure. I control all the smart home devices, turn the lights on and stuff. You could even have this mounted on a wall and just use it for your smart home. It's got a 12 megapixel camera on the back with a flash, and it's got a front facing camera. I think 5 megapixel it is for a video call. So you know what, this is really good. I've been super impressed. The only notable thing that I have noticed when using it on a daily basis is when you're sort of rotating the screen like that, there's like a bit of a delay. It's not massive, but if you're used to an iPad, those things you do notice. But this, I've been very impressed with. It's a great iPad, and for about $160, £130, it is really incredible, I've got to say. So the next bit of tech are these earbuds from a company called One More. Now, these are the Q30, and they are priced at about £49, $49. and they actually have a 20% voucher off at the moment as well. These are really incredible for the price. They come in the box with the USB-C charging lead, some spare earbuds, but the earbuds themselves, really incredible. They've got a 30-hour battery life. They have got 6 mics on here for good calls. Bluetooth 5.3, so it's like the latest version of Bluetooth. It's got adaptive active noise cancellation, and it does work, and you can control them by just sort of holding your finger over the touch sensitive parts on the right or left hand side, and they feel really comfortable in the ear, and they sound absolutely fantastic. I've got to say, they connect straight away. I'm using the latest iPhone 15 Pro Max as well. The noise cancelling and the transparency is very good. You can turn on noise cancelling if you want to, but I've got to say, wow, they sound absolutely brilliant. The bass in them is fantastic. I'm going to take them out because I can't hear myself talk. But yeah, very good, very comfortable, great battery life, you know, sweat resistant as well for, you know, if you're after like a second pair of earbuds to take to the gym, or just leave in your gym bag or something like that. These are a great option. I've been really impressed with them, and like I said, I get sent a lot of tech and I'm not complaining about that, but these are 3 products I've come across that have really impressed me, and something I probably wouldn't warrant making a dedicated video on, but each of these products I would definitely fully recommend to you, and I wouldn't do that if they were rubbish. Seriously good earbuds from One More. This speaker is just great. I was lucky enough to get 2 of these to test out, and one of these is living in my shower, and one of these is going to stay outside all year for when we have barbecues and stuff. It's that good. It's really good. And then this is the tablet from DOOGEE that I've been using to, you know, do everyday stuff, not, you know, pro stuff. We're not editing on there, we're not editing photos, we're not editing videos, but we are doing everyday things that most of us use tablets for. So 3 great products. If you do want to grab any, links in the description, but those are my 3 products from Amazon that do not suck. Fully recommended. That's it for this one. I shall see you on the next one. Bye guys.